Retire like a genius.
How to become a reverse mortgage genius. There's over $20 trillion of home equity value in the United States. For the vast majority of seniors, the value of their home is their single greatest asset and represents most of their net worth. One way to access this equity is to sell the home to realize that value. But another option is to remain in the home and access the equity as needed through a home equity conversion mortgage, otherwise known as a reverse mortgage. A reverse mortgage is a form of home equity loan backed by the Federal Housing Administration that allows a homeowner age 62 or older to borrow against their home on a tax-free basis. Reverse mortgages allow access to home equity without requiring the borrower to make monthly payments on the loan. Because there are no required monthly payments on a reverse mortgage, fees and the interest is added to the loan balance each month. The payment of the loan is deferred until the homeowner dies, sells, or moves out of the home as their primary residence. Interest rates can be variable and tend to be higher than a bank loan or mortgage, but the trade-off is the flexibility to not make monthly payments as long as the home remains the primary residence. Reverse mortgages are typically used to help seniors supplement retirement income, cover costs of healthcare and home care, or to make needed home improvements. People should resist the idea of using the funds for frivolous expenditures. The funds from a reverse mortgage can be taken by the borrower as a lump sum, monthly income, or a line of credit can be established to be drawn down on an as-needed basis, but the borrower will still be responsible for property taxes, homeowners insurance, and property maintenance. Although a reverse mortgage is not considered income for tax purposes, it can have an impact on federal entitlement benefits such as Social Security and Medicaid, so it's important to understand how this could impact the borrower before securing the loan.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.